the only one you think.
Lel.
You little
Kevin.
3, 2, 1.
Whoops. Mom, she did it again!
Michelle.
Apologize to your brother.
Sauce, Jason.
That's not good enough!
Hey, 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 hey! We're here!
Hello, sweeties!
Hi, Grandma.
Oh, that's grandma to you, you little goodness. Now, which one are you then?
Jason T. Conrad. Thank goodness.
I'm the cute one.
Don't you worry about these two. No better place for a pumpkin.
That's right.
Come on, pumpkins. You can give me a pumpkin with supper.
Bye.
Pumpkin,
Bye.
pumpkin, pumpkin.
Goodbye. Is it ready? Yes.
What have I done?
So, Grandma,
What's for dinner?
Your first supper here at the cottage.
pie?
Oh, yes, sometimes we'd have it thrice a week.
Do they always serve pie?
Oh, goodies, mate. Oh.
Base Commander Jason here. I'm stranded here.
Later.
Jason, look, it's Granddad.
Granddad! Flintstones? Oh! Granddad! Granddad!
I can't hear you.
Also, what just happened? Oh! What? I'm scared now!
The ship is flying by itself. No, really. Ow, ow.
Jason T. Conrad, we need your help.
He knows my name.
Get it, hit 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 it, here, No man!
I can't. I'm too big.
Ah, too big.
Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big.
When I was your size, I was twice your size. Dr. Fidgel.
Kill him.
Yes, right away.
Why? Just why?
Do you know where we're going?
Oop.
Shush. Let's bring this down. Nope. Sorry. Nothing.
How rude.
Hang on!
What went wrong?
Wrong? That was a pretty good one. Spot on.
Much better than the last one. No matter. Here we are. Come on, everyone. 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 Come on, everyone.
Kind of old behavior for a planet called Wait Your Turn. Captain, remember, we've got a job to do.
Oh, yeah.
How long has all this been going on?
Oh, it all started when President, no, I'm the 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 president.
I see. Well, dear good vacuums, we have not heard your stress signal, and we are not here to hear stress signals. We are not good back here. Well, looks like our work here is done. Penguin?
People! Don't you understand what happens when you get too close to the sun? You burn up!
Hang on.
My name is Doof, and you'll do.
This planet is worse than we thought. It's broken.
So, what do we do?
We've discovered the most bizarre creature who appears to be spying on us.
I see you.
I couldn't have done it without you guys.
You really don't get this whole concussion, do you?
Jason!
I have no idea how to breathe.